Would you like to tell us where we're at? Because I don't know if I'm gonna say it right.
We are in the Black Canyon of the Gunnison in Colorado.
Just hanging out, having some fun, exploring Colorado. It's a little like vertigo inducing where you're kind of just looking down and it just keeps on going forever, it feels. And then like right on the edge you can't really see the bottom, so you're just like, where does it end? And you're watching your feet constantly because it is a long fall. But we're just driving around. We'll probably just spend the day here. If there's something cool, maybe like a longer hike, we might come back. We don't really know. We're just playing it by ear. Did you find something interesting?
It's just a scary look over.
Scary lookout?
Like you're gonna fall over.
Ah. So we're on the $1 Million Highway at the moment. So because of the time of that we're traveling right now, we're kind of running away from snow. So the next so today and tomorrow are pretty clear, but in the next few days it's supposed to snow for a week.
So if you don't hear back from us, we're dead.
Yeah. So we're kind of having a little weather issues, but at the moment it's pretty good. But there are some places where it's going to be a low of 6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty crazy. But we're here at, what is it, Bear Falls?
Yeah.
Bear Falls. Do you see any monsters?
My phone just vibrated and it scared me. It's such a creaky building. Too.
How do you feel about them?
I feel scared. So far, that one felt the most neutral.
This is a bit of an abandoned mining town, built back in the day. Kind of creepy. Some of them are falling over, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see this out in the forest. But we're gonna continue on the road because we're trying not to get snowed in. There's ice on the ground over here.
A lot.
So it definitely gets cold. We're at, I don't know if I said this, 9,000 feet of elevation. We're having a blast. It actually came down, not very far, but it actually started snowing a little bit. It's not awful, it's just a little bit, but it's pretty cool. The mountains are snowy, everything's cold, but it is beautiful. So we didn't quite miss the snow. It kind of snowed overnight, which is pretty cool. I think we'll be okay. It's not very much. It's just a light dusting, but it's starting to stick on some roads. But yesterday I saw some people working on the roads, making sure everybody's gonna be safe. So I think everything's gonna be good. But yeah, it's cold here, but we're gonna work our way down to Durango, Colorado. Yeah, it's very different being out in the snow right now. All right, we are in Mesa Verde. Say it.
Mesa Verde.
There you go. She's better at that than I am.
Probably
We're
sounds
just-
stupid
What, you?
when I say it. Mesa Verde.
We're just hanging out. We're just exploring Colorado, which is kind of fun. But yeah, we like the high elevation apparently because we're at what, almost 8,500 feet. Not as high as we used to, but we're just enjoying life, looking at views, visiting places. So
I love my husband.
So we're at the museum, and there's a bit of a couple mud huts in the wall, which is pretty cool. They're closed for the season, so we can't go up to them. But
What made you think that?
there's a literal sign that says no views.
What do you mean no views?
It's closed. So
Oh.
it's closed. The site is closed. I guess normally you could do tours and stuff and go down into it, but
I think you can walk up to it. I just don't think you can actually go in them.
so we're looking at the Pit House. It's one of the spots you can go look at. We're walking in just in a second. Interesting. You can't even see me anymore. What are you looking at? You don't know? Okay, tell us about it.
This is the foundation, and they would build over it. And this is where they lived. Cozy.